In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Intel Wi-Fi 6 AX201 160MHz driver not working. So first thing you want to do is you want to go to Device Manager. Here you want to check the display adapters, actually the network adapters. So here you'll see the driver that you're having issues with. So first you can try disabling it, and then right click again and then enable it. Now next thing you want to do is update the driver, so make sure it's updated. Select the latest version. As you can see, there's two. Then click next to update. Once updating it, you want to close, and then you want to go here and type in type in settings, then type troubleshoot here. Go to troubleshoot settings, other troubleshooters, and you'll see an option for network and internet troubleshooter. So running this troubleshooter might give you some guides and steps that will help you. So I suggest you run this troubleshooter and see if it fixes the issue. Now, I also recommend that you check if there's any updates on Windows. So always make sure you're up to date and you're on the latest version. So once you do this, you can try to open CMD. So let's open CMD, then run as administrator. Now here you can write a following command. So ipconfig/renew and then press enter. And then ipconfig flush DNS. And then lastly ipconfig/release. Once you do this, restart your PC and this should fix it.